You can manifest anything you want just with a bay leaf. Have you ever wondered why the people who are using spells use bay leaf for manifestation or anything else? I will explain it to you in detail. Just stay here until the end of this video, because people are doing it wrong and the manifestation do not happen. First thing, from the beginning of times, bay leaves are used for wishes, intentions, and our goals. Second, burning the bay leaf releases our intention into the universe through the smoke that it creates. Third thing, it is believed that bay leaves amplify the power of any spell, desire, or manifestation. But here is the most important thing when you work with a bay leaf. Anytime you work with a bay leaf, you need to write your intention in present tense. Also, as the bay leaf burns, you need to visualize the positive outcome like it already happened. So if you need help, you will visualize yourself being healed. If you want more money in your home, you will visualize as you already have this money. This is important. As you're writing your intention on bay leaf, you need to focus, as this is a thing you do already have. Because if you write, I want money, no, that will not work. I want money. The universe will give you more. I want money. But you will not receive it because you want it. That means you don't have it. And we all know that the universe and manifestation works in the vibrational way. I want, that means I do not have. So write it in present tense and leave everything else to the universe. Universe hears you. Your wishes are granted. Now you just need to find a mental way to let it go and forget about it. Let it go and your wish